Hey there! Welcome to day 28 of my 30 days of guitar coaching. I think I might be getting a little crazy. Well, doesn't matter. I'm committed to completing all 30 days. Today, we're going to talk about bass note walks. That's bass notes between one chord and another. I've had a lot of students ask about this. We'll start with a simple one between two chords just to get you going, and then I'll add some really cool ones to give you a little more to work on. Let's do this. Hey there, I'm Tomas from Real Guitar Success. Those bass notes between chords we call bass walks can be a lot of fun, and it makes your music sound cool. There's a few different types of bass walks, and we won't get into all of it right now. We'll start with something fairly simple and then build on it into something that sounds good. Feel free to take as much of this lesson that works for you right now, and you can always come back and watch it again and keep adding on. Let's head over to my guitar chair so we can really get into this. Let's start off by doing a simple strum that we're going to build on. So we'll start with the G chord, and I'll just go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'll hit the bass note to start off. I like that. So you don't have to do this exact strum. This is what I'll use. You could go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Leave some space. Good way to practice. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so we got the strum going. Now we're going to add a bass note to the C chord. Okay, we're going to go up on the 5th string to the C chord. So I'm going to hit the open 5th string, 2nd fret, and then land on the C chord. So here's what we got so far. G, going to C. Sounds like a typical bass walk up. Okay, a little slow, let's try it. G. And again, you can simplify the strum. It's 2 measures each strum. Bass. Open, 2nd finger, C chord. Again, G. Oh, we're grooving now. Okay. That's one type of walk-up. It's a scale-wise motion. We're going up the scale, note by note. That's an open A, B, C. Another type of walk-up is where you go hit a note, go up, and then back. So we can do that with the D chord. Let's try that. The open D, that's the 4th string. 2nd fret, and then open. Slower. Try that with me. The D, open D, 2nd fret, and then hit the D chord. Again, open, 2nd fret. Let's try it from the G chord now, together. Strum that G chord with me. That's 2 measures there. Here we go. Let's do it one more time, nice and slow. G chord, now. Bass, now. Okay. Now, maybe you're thinking about timing. Where does those bass notes go? What I'm doing is I'm playing 2 measures. This is 1 measure, 4 beats, 4. And then I'm playing the next measure, and on the 3rd beat, I start the bass run. So here's that 2nd measure. 1, 2, and then on beat 3 I hit a bass note, on beat 4 I hit a bass note, and on the next beat it's beat 1 of the D chord. So try that with me now. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, bass note, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's the timing on every one of these bass runs. It's the middle of the measure on the 3rd beat and the 4th beat, and I hit on the next 1 beat the next chord. So let's add those 3 chords together. Yeah, it's turning into something. Here we go, all 3 chords. We'll go nice and slow. Let's just go straight down strum first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, on 3 on the open D, 3, 4, D chord. Good. 4, 1, 2, go into C. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's stop there and do it again. G. 1, 2, ready, hit it. 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. C. 1. Okay. You see how I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And on the 1 is where we hit that C chord. Okay. Let's do it again. I'm going to play the strum. Feel free to just strum straight down if that's kind of where you're at. You can always start upping the strum. Here we go. Together. 1, 2, ready, hit it. Good. C. And back to G. No bass drum there yet, but we need something, huh? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We need something between the C and the G there. I think we need one more chord. And why don't we do a little different type of bass run? So we've covered the scale walk up, and we've covered the one where it kind of goes up and then back down. Let's do one that skips some notes. We're going to play the E minor chord. So we want to go bass notes at low E. So we're going to hit the 5th string, 2nd fret, and low E. Try that with me right now. Open 5th string, 2nd fret, and then strum the E chord when we hit the low E. Okay, again, open 5th, 2nd fret. Good. We've got another chord. This is going to sound good now. We're going to go from G to D to the E minor, and then to the C. We'll do the same walk up. So let's try it. Here we go. Okay, let's do this straight down strums, nice and slow, just to kind of map it out. Here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2 to D. D. Going to E minor. We'll start with the 5th string, 2nd fret, and low bass note. Sounding good. 3, 4, up to C, right? We knew that one. 4, 1, 2, and then it goes back to G. We'll start over. I want a bass run, one more just to cover it going back to that G. We didn't do a chromatic bass note yet. Chromatic means where you just go up by half steps. Let's try this. Yeah, I like it. See? Yeah, I gotta go a little faster to get all those notes in there. So try this with me. Open, 1st fret, 2nd fret, and 3rd fret. That'll be the rhythm. Dun, 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 dun. I like it. Try with me. Ready? Go! G. Again. Now. Yeah. Do it again. Now. Again. Last time. We got some variety in there now. Okay. Let's put it all together. We've got the G. We're going to go to the D. Then to the E minor. To the C, walk it up, scale-wise. And now we got the chromatic. Oh boy, let's do it. Okay, let's do one with a straight down strum and then we'll add some pizzazz to it. Straight down, G. 1, 2, ready, hit it, straight down. Do the strum if you want. 1, 2 to D. Going to E minor, Now, up to C this time. 1, 2, up. Now let's try the chromatic, going back to G. 4. One more time. D. E minor. Some strumming. A little faster. Got this. Good work! Thanks for joining me for this session. I hope you learned something. Come on back tomorrow and we'll do day 29. 2 more days. We got this on the home stretch. Bye for now.